Need to transfer your photos from an Android to iPhone, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you 3 ways to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. Now let's get started. If you're switching from an Android to a new iPhone, you can transfer your photos during the setup process when transferring all of your other data. Check out this tutorial to learn how to transfer everything from Android to iPhone. If you've already set up your iPhone and only want to transfer your photos, here are a few different ways you can do that. An easy way to transfer your photos from Android to iPhone is using iCloud Photos. On your Android, open your browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign into the Apple account you use on your iPhone. Then tap Photos. Tap the Upload button at the top. Then select all the photos you want to transfer from your Android to your iPhone. Allow the upload process to complete. On your iPhone, open your settings. Select your name at the top. Then select iCloud. Tap Photos. Then ensure iCloud photo syncing is enabled. Once this is set up, you can open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the photos you uploaded from your Android are now synced to your iPhone. The next method is using the Google Photos app. Download Google Photos on your iPhone. It should come pre-installed on your Android, but if you don't have the app, you can download it for free from the Play Store. Sign into the same Google account in the app on both devices. Then sync your photos on your Android with the Google Photos app. Once synced, you can open Google Photos on your iPhone to access the photos from your Android. You can download the photos to your device to save them in the native iOS Photos app. If you don't want to download any new apps and mess with syncing your photos to a cloud service, another option is to simply send the photos to yourself as email attachments. Open your preferred email app on your Android and draft a new email to yourself, adding photos you want to transfer to your iPhone as attachments. Then open the email on your iPhone and download the attached photos to save them to your camera roll. Just hold down an image and tap Save. Most email services will have a cap on the total size of attachments you can send in a single email. So if needed, repeat this process until you've transferred all of your photos. That does it for 3 ways you can transfer photos from Android to iPhone. Want to transfer your contacts as well? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.